So we commence in open facing, and we're going to dance first an open hip twist where the gentleman will turn to face the line of dance and his partner. Basic step, the lady will swivel, step down the room, and we are now gentleman facing the line of dance. We're going to dance now a breakaway movement followed by a stop and go movement. Now our breakaway movement, we will both step back and the lady will dance under the gent's left arm, having made half of a turn. Back, replace and turn. The gentleman has placed his right hand lightly on the lady's right shoulder blade. The gent will now dance a forward check while the lady dances a backward check. As she dances this, she takes her right hand into a high line to make the movement complete. So we dance check, 1, 2, and the lady makes her half turn out to back to the facing position. We now dance a back break, adopting double hold into cuddle hold. Back, replace, lady turns again, but this time both hands are joined at waist level. This is your cuddle hold. We now dance circling movements, backwards for the lady, forwards for the gent. Right foot gentleman, left foot lady. Circling, 2, 3. We now dance progressive walks for the gentleman, while the lady releases the gent's left hand and dances a rolling off the arm movement, turning to her right. Roll, 2, 3. We now dance a New Yorker and then an underarm turn, turning the lady to her left. Check, replace, changing hands to adopt gentleman's left hand to lady's right hand, and the lady turns under her arm, 1, 2, 3, and we end both facing against the line of dance. So that's the first half. We'll put that all together for you. So the basic into the open hip twist. Basic step swivel your lady, down the room. Now the breakaway into the stop and go, 1, 2, adopting double hold, back break into cuddle, circling walks around, roll the lady off the arm, the New Yorker and the underarm turn to end facing against the line. So we finish this facing against the line. We're now going to dance an underturned Aida, which is 3 backward walks. Gent right, lady left. 1, 2, 3. We now dance a chassé to a change of place, which is side, close, side. Gentleman on the left, lady on the right. And the lady will pass in front of the gentleman, releasing the hold, side, close, side. And as you can see, we've adopted shadow hold, which is the gentleman's left hand holding the lady's left hand, and the gentleman's right hand placed lightly on the lady's right shoulder blade. We're now dancing circling walks, backwards for the lady, forwards for the gentleman, making half of a turn. Round, 2, 3. Gentleman now on the left, lady on the right. We dance a back basic to an inward turn. So we dance back, replace, forward. Now releasing the joined left hands, we're going to dance forward to the side and back, and we will adopt gentleman's left hand to lady's right hand. We're dancing a type of inward turn, forward to the side and back. Gentleman now turning to his left, lady to her right, which is inwards towards your partner. We dance a side chassé moving down the line of dance. Side, close, side. The gentleman will now dance a spot turn, turning to his left, as the lady dances a back basic. 1, 2, 3. And that completes Queen of Hearts Rumba. So let's put the whole 16 bars together. So we commence in our open facing position to your basic. 1, 2, the hip twist. Down the room, ladies. Now your breakaway into your stop and go. A double hold at the end for your back break into cuddle, circling walks around. Gent walks while the lady rolls off. New Yorker to the lady's underarm turn. The underturned Aida, your 3 backward walks, the chassé to a change of place. 3 circling walks and a back basic movement. The inward turn, the side chassé, the gent spot turn while the lady dances the back basic movement.